Hello YouTube friends again. So today we have this motherboard here. It's a Huananzhi X99 motherboard that I will be installing a couple of CPUs in there. I'll be installing two E5-2699 series CPUs, and so let's get to it. Okay, let's see here. Now, I previously did an unboxing of this, so there's a video on my channel there where you can see the unboxing, but it's pretty much the same thing that I'm doing here. Let's see. Okay, so that's the motherboard right there. It's an X1099-16D, X10X99-16D by Huananzhi. It's a Chinese motherboard company, or rather motherboard making company, and they are a modern motherboard maker, which are making motherboards that support older CPUs, mainly the Xeon style CPUs, server CPUs, and pretty much allowing you to use this old server hardware to be able to run modern applications with them. And so that's what I'm pretty much doing with this. I'm going to be using this to create a server, which will be a Docker container server and also a storage server. That's that. Let's get to it. I got a couple of CPUs here. The E5-2699 version 4 or V4. There. Butterfingers. And that's the second one there. Okay, let's see. Start by removing this one here on this side. I haven't done this in a while, so bear with me here. Now let's see if I can see where little arrows point. lighting stinks, I know, but let's see here. The blinds are bad, so. Can't see where it goes. Okay, see a little arrow on this side. Okay, let's see. You see it on here. If we can match it up, see where it goes on there. And great. I see something there, but I gotta get something there. Look in there because I am blind and I can't see that. So give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, so I've gone and flipped it over and found that the pins, the pin designator for pin 1 is actually located right there on the bracket itself. This one's got it right there. I guess it coincides with that other arrow that's on there. Ooh, okay. We can look at that. So, that's got the arrow right in the corner there. You can see it right there. Has it right up here. So that one has it right up here. Right there. Okay. That. Okay. Well, our CPUs are in. And next video we'll see if we'll do the RAM on there. Also got to get a hold of a battery for the CMOS. And yeah, and then our cooling systems, which are, I have one in, but I don't have the other one for the other processor. It's still on its way. So I'll be waiting on that before we could do that. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. And if you can, give us a like and a subscribe. And thank you very much. Have a good one.